Basically, this still looks like a mess, but that's just because we had to take the computer out and make room for the battery here while we moved it. But we have it all to where the computer will set kind of up in here. Originally it was going to be in there, but it'll be down in here and all zip tied out of the way. Same with the fuse box, and the battery obviously will go inside. But we got the bumper welded on. Here's the big thing. We got cage halfway down. Welds are horrible, but they hold really good. So I haven't stick welded in 15 years, so try not to be too harsh on the comments. Welded up there. She's solid. She's not great, but I beat on it with the sledgehammer and she stayed. So other than that, we really haven't done anything else. But cage is about done. He's cutting the other bar, so we'll get seat bar in, get seat bolted in. We'll do the door, wire the door shut and paint it today. And then really the only thing left is to move the gas tank and battery and zip tie a few things. So not going as smoothly as I wanted, but you know, I got the gauges back in. I'll zip tie them up or wire them up, one or the other. Because I can. Not because I need to, but because I can. I've got to plug the heater core lines, and I got to do the transmission cooler. So, fortunately, I'm not allowed to run one. Not that I really care. Not that I've ever really used one. Years ago when I ran, nobody cared. Now everybody under the sun runs them. So, but I mean, we got the cage down. That'll be done. That's a big thing out of the way. It'll be just some little things inside, so it'll be able to be wired shut and painted today. So, but I'm here to give you a quick update. I'll go watch him real quick. Cut a little bit. I'll walk over here. Turn it over. We'll watch him cut this. We measured quite long because we still got to clean this up, and also we want it to wedge in and just fit. So I don't know how well this will record. Alright, you can see what we're doing, so remember to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, see y'all later.